I will guide you through how to make Stripe account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official Stripe website. On the homepage, you can either click Start Now or Sign In. If you already have an account, just log in. Otherwise, let's create a new one. Fill in your email address, full name, and create a secure password. Make sure it's strong but easy to remember. Then, select your country. After that, click Create Account, and you'll be directed to your main Stripe dashboard. Stripe will ask for a few more details. Enter your business name. It could be a company or a personal brand. Then, briefly describe how you plan to use Stripe, such as for e-commerce or service payments. Once completed, click on Go to Sandbox to explore. Now you're all set. Your Stripe account is active, and you can start exploring tools like balances, transactions, customers, product catalog, or other features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Stripe and other business tools.